To display informative and engaging weather updates on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen, you can add a dynamic weather widget that has animation in its background to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find weather, or you can quickly find the widget by typing its name on the search bar. Tap weather. Now tap and hold the dynamic weather widget and then drag it to the desired area on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap anywhere outside the widget. As you can see, now the dynamic weather widget has been added to your home screen. With this widget, you can easily know your real-time local weather information right from your home screen, such as current temperature and weather condition like sunny, cloudy, or else, with the animation in the background that make the weather updates not only informative but also visually engaging. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.